How to add someone's Instagram story to my story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add someone else's Instagram story to your own story. Now, open the app and here on the top of your screen you can find the stories of your friends. Now, if you want to add the story to your own story, then they need to mention you to your story. Now, Instagram gives you the feature to share someone else's story to your own story only if you are mentioned in their story. So, if you open the story right here, you can see on the screen that this user has mentioned me in their story. So, if you want to share this to your story, you'll get the option to add this to your story if they have mentioned you in their story. So, click on here, and here I'll get the option to mention it in my story, and I can just add to my story by clicking on your story option that you can find on the bottom left of the screen. And this way, if you go here and you go to your story, you can see that it has been added to my story. So this way you can add someone else's Instagram story to your story. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.